Today, nice day but kind of hot. I decided to take a ride out. I'm still looking for a piece I lost the other day, which I didn't find. But I brought the B-17 out with me today for the first time since the first time I tried to fly it. Got it together. Gonna power it up now. As designed, she takes two 3-cell 2200 milliamp batteries, and it's designed to hold them in this orientation right there in place with two separate connectors. Now I also have a 5000 milliamp 3-cell, although I don't have the adapter for it, so this testing is going to be done with these two batteries. Hopefully I got this thing focused in the right direction for what I'm about to do here. Well, should be alive. Got the radio right over here. And the rudder's moving right and left. Elevators are up and down. There's my ailerons, left turn, right turn. Flaps up, half, and down. Make sure the wheels are clear. I'm going to try to extend the landing gear. And two down. Two up. And two down. All right, time to put it down on the ground. Yeah, we're filming now, but it doesn't look like I was filming when I was testing it. So I wound up all the way down here, and it taxied on its own. However, it did not want to turn downwind. Oh, let's see what we can do here. I'm going to give it a try. And she is up. I'm flying fairly nicely. She likes to keep her nose up to the sky. Hope I'm getting this on film. Get the wheels up. I promise you I'm nervous.
Relax, relax. Doing well. Breath. Doing well. The wind's starting to pick up. Land right to left. It'll be a good position.
I'm going to see if I can't get it on the ground. We'll go around one more time. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Come on, baby, turn back, turn back. She won't turn back. She wouldn't finish that turn. Must be because of the wind. Oh, a successful maiden on the B-17. Oh my God. I hope I'm getting this on film. I'll never know until I watch it on a computer later. I'm going to need to use differential thrust on this, I think. Oh, just a little bit, but that'll make a difference. Still subject to tipping up. I'm going to see if I can't get more elevator throw in. Does not like the tall grass, I can tell you that. Well, that's enough of that. I'm going to unplug it, carry it away, or carry it away and then unplug it. See if I can do a one-hand carry with this thing. Oh, not bad, not bad. Well, that's going to be it probably for the day. Hello, everybody. Shout out to Dale, Brian, Sherb, the puppies, all of Dale's girly friends, rowdies. I brought that other plane there, but I don't have a battery except for one of the two that just came out of the B-17. And if they have a good amount of charge, I may take a short flight with that. All right, goodbye from the Wallkill field.